Hi everybody! So I'm going to share with you guys another juice recipe, and this is a beet juice, and of course there's so many different variations of smoothies and juices you can do, and there's so many. I mean, you can put one ingredient in and it changes it completely. You can take an ingredient out and it changes it completely, or you can just do so many variations, but this is just another one that I actually really enjoy. And so but I haven't made it too often, but I have done it with strawberries, and it turned it into like a strawberry juice. It was super good, so that one will be coming hopefully soon, because strawberries are pretty abundant in the stores right now, so I gotta take advantage of that. So in this beet juice, I'm sure a lot of you raw foodies know that a lot of beet juices include apple and carrots, so that's kind of the base. I have one large beet that I'm going to juice. I have a little bit of leftover cucumber I'm just throwing in there, and one large carrot and one Fuji apple. I have two here, just an extra one just in case, but I'm using just one because the beet and the carrots provide a lot of sweetness too. So but I love using Fuji apples because they're the sweetest type of apple that I've come across so far. So I like using Fuji apples, but you most certainly can add ginger to it if you want, or I know a lot of people like adding ginger with carrots and beets also, but that's what I'm starting with this one. It is red day, and it does not need that second apple. Like I mentioned before, the beets and carrots provide sugar also. There's sweetness in carrots and beets also. So that's what I knew. So you always start with less than you think you need. Again, I always say that in my recipe videos because you know if you've learned your lesson before, you know not to put too much. Otherwise, you find yourself kind of screwed. Beets are really, really good. I don't know. There's a lot of people who don't like beets, but man, in a juice, they are super, super good. Holy cow. That is absolutely divinely delicious. Man. Okay, you guys, so remember to love being raw. Put a big old smile on your face today. I hope I did that for you, and I'll see you guys next video, okay? Bye, guys.